The whole idea started and conceptualized like 2.5 years ago. My family's owned this 10,000 square foot building since the mid 80s, and grew up working over at the RV repair shop and sales. And I left and went to Chicago in 2006, found a huge passion for craft beer and food that I didn't know existed until I moved there, and kind of got to watch that same growth and explosion in Grand Rapids from afar. And then in 2016, I moved back, started working for the family business again. Found that people still didn't really know much about Coopersville beyond a landfill and a roundabout and a bunch of gas stations. And I wanted to try to help maybe change some of that perception. And when we looked at a beer map and saw these pins in Grand Rapids and the lake shore and a yellow line with one little pin of Trail Point there in Allendale, we knew it was a good market opportunity. But we didn't have a lot of the financial capital and equity to be able to do it. So we really kind of gathered the community and were able to get a lot of people that would invest, would buy lifetime Mug Club memberships for $500 2 years ago when this was a shell of the place, and get a lot of skilled laborers that got themselves involved and did some investment and kind of trade equity with those people to help us build this out. So it really is like the community kind of came together to put this all together, something we're really proud of. All of our barley and wheat and rye comes from a farm. They grow it in Ravenna called Cantola Farms, and then the raw products malted in Zeeland by Emergent Malt. And then we made it a point to use all Michigan proprietary hops. The hop growers around this area have developed for over a decade now and been working really hard to set ourselves up there from a hop growing perspective, and as much of it that we can get from Pure Mitten Hops just on the other side of the landfill, about 4 miles from us. So that's a big focus of ours. I feel like it's how the socioeconomic world works.